you something I have made.
Yes. Show me. Show me. Show me.
This is the national flag I have made
Okay, very good.
by
Very nice.
myself.
Very
With
good.
papers. So
Ah.
one art.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Sharona,
Thanks, ma'am.
tell me one thing. The syllabus of your science syllabus, SA1, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Please wait. Ma'am, please wait. I'm telling. Science SA1 is chapter 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7.
5 and 7. Okay, okay.
2, 3, 4, 5 and 7.
Okay. Not 6. 6 is not included.
No.
Okay. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Everyone open your book, science book. Okay, so this is the last chapter. 7, chapter number 7. This is the last chapter of SA1. Okay. Yes, Arat.
Ma'am, I made a fasted box. Can you see?
Yes, show me. Show me. Bah, very nice. And open it. Okay, very good. Very nice. If you are showing
Thank you,
something,
ma'am.
show me in front of the camera. Okay, just after the class. Okay, I will just start the class. After the class, you show me. Arad, very good. I have already given the English literature and language in study material portion. Just look at the study, check your study material portion. I've already given the English literature and language study material. Just check it. Yes, Sharonna. What happened?
Ma'am, chapter 2 and chapter 6 are already completed in the exam
Okay.
before in exam of
FA1. Okay. So chapter 7 is the last chapter in SA1. Last chapter, complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Then we have completed the syllabus.
Okay.
Chapter 7.
Yes. So eating habits of animals, wonderful birds, the human body, and housing and clothing. It is right? Is it right?
And plant life.
Plant.
Yes.
Plant life is the revision chapter. This is the revision chapter. Okay. So housing and clothing. Okay. Okay. Very good. Acha, everyone drop your hands. Just drop your hands. Drop your hands. Okay, so housing and clothing. Okay, housing. Today we will start the housing and clothing. Okay, so everyone, we need the house and clothes to live our life. ঠিক আছে? House and clothes are the most important thing in our daily life. House and clothes are most important thing in our daily life. Okay, so we all need a house to protect ourselves from bad weather conditions, harmful animals, and enemies. We feel happy and safe in our house. Everyone, take out the pencil. Take out pencil and just give a bracket. Give a bracket from we to enemies. Why we will need the house? We will need a house to protect ourselves from bad weather conditions and harmful animals and enemies. Okay, so why we need a house? We all need a house to protect ourselves from bad weather conditions, harmful animals and enemies. Bad weather conditions, harmful animals and enemies. Hey Arhat, adjust your camera. Arhat, adjust your camera. Yes, now it is okay. In cities, people live in pakka house. They are made of bricks, cement and steel. They are strong houses. So we have pakka house and kacha house. Okay, pakka house and kacha house. Pakka house in cities, mane shohorer dike. In cities, people live in pakka houses. They are made of bricks, cement and steel. They are strong houses. They are strong. Thale pakka houses are strong. And in villages, people live in kacha houses. They are made of mud, straw, and sticks. They are neither strong nor long lasting. So, I will give a question. Just write the question, write the answer. Okay, everyone write the question. Difference between pakka house and kacha house. Write. The question ta lekho. Everyone write the question. Everyone write the question. Hey, Ohornish, what happened? Ohornish, what happened? What happened, Ohornish?
Ma'am, you told that you will create an assignment to give
Yes.
the drawing.
I forgot. Today I will create an assignment. Okay. I forgot.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah,
Okay, ma'am.
Definitely.
Thank you, ma'am.
But don't talk anybody with anyone or Hornish in the midst of the class.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Take out a pencil. Everyone, write the question. Ahornish, write the question. Difference between kacha house and pakka house. Write the difference between kacha house and pakka house. Okay, this is your homework. বাড়িতে লিখে রাখবে difference between কাচ্চা হাউস and পাক্কা হাউস in point basis. ঠিক আছে, 1 2 3 4 করে পয়েন্ট দিয়ে লিখবে, পয়েন্ট বেসিসে লিখবে, পয়েন্ট। ওকে, সো in left side pakka house and right side kacha house, divided it and you write the point wise. Okay, kacha house and pakka house point wise e likhbe. So in villages, people live in kacha houses. They are made of mud, straw, and sticks. They are neither strong nor long lasting. In cold places, people live in igloo made of ice blocks. People who live here are called Eskimos. Hey, everyone, just mark with the pencil, bracket from in and bracket start from in and end Eskimos. In থেকে bracket করো, Eskimo তে শেষ করো. Who are called Eskimos? Okay, question ta likhe rakho. Who are called Eskimos? In cold places, people live in igloos made of blocks, ice blocks. People who live here are called Eskimos. People who lived here are called Eskimos. Okay, who are called Eskimos? In cold places, people live in igloos made of ice blocks. They are called Eskimos. In places where it rains a lot, people live in houses made on wooden poles called stilt houses. This is also important. Stilt houses. In places where it rains a lot, people live in houses made on wooden poles called stilt houses. যেখানে খুব বৃষ্টি হয় সেখানে কি হয়, কাঠের বাড়ি, ঠিক আছে, made on wooden poles called stilt houses. Some people make houses on a boat called a houseboat. প্রত্যেকটা important, each and every lines are important. So just mark it with pencil. Stilt houses, houseboat. Some people make houses on a boat called houseboat. People who roam around from place to place are called nomads. Nomads, mane jajabor. Nomads. So who are called nomads? Everyone just mark it with pencil. People from, give a bracket from people and end it nomads. Nomads. People who roam around from place to place are called nomads. Who are called nomads? People who roam around from place to place. Who are called nomads? Read Chakraborty. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Who are called nomads? Who are called
People
nomads?
who
Ha. Tell me.
people who roam around from place to place are called nomads.
Yes, yes, very good. Mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So people who roam around from place to place are called nomads. They live in tents and caravans. Tents and caravans. Dekho, look at the book. Look at the book. Look at your book. Look at your book. Here is the picture of tent and caravans. Tents are made of clothes. Tents are made of clothes. Okay. And caravan, this is one kind of car. This is a one kind of house. Okay. Nomads their house ke ki bole? Tents and caravans. This is not a permanent house. This is not a permanent house. This is temporary house. This is not a permanent house. This is temporary house. Okay. Tent and caravan, these are not permanent house. These are not permanent house. These are a temporary house. Different houses are made of different materials. Some houses are made of brick, stones, wood, cement, and steel. The walls of the houses are made of brick, cement, tiles, or marbles, and then get painted. So some houses are made of brick, stones, wood, cement, and steel. The walls of houses are made of brick, cement, tiles, or marbles, and then get painted. Yes, Tahfim? Have you any queries, Tahfim? Okay. So, some houses are made of bricks, stones, wood, cement, and steel. And the walls of the houses are made of brick, cement, tiles, or marbles, and then get painted. Okay, so here we get the question that why do we need a house? Why do we need house? Acha, who are called Eskimos? Difference between kacha house and pakka house, and what is the steel houses, and what are called houseboat, and who are called nomads. Okay, so here we will get the 5 or 6 question. Why do we need a house? Difference between kacha house and pakka house. Who are called Eskimos? 3. And then what is called steel houses? Question number 4. 5. What is called houseboat? 6. And 7 number question. Who are called nomads? Okay. So in this portion, we have already got the 7 question. Okay, everyone mind it. Everyone mind it and read carefully and thoroughly. Okay, so the doors and windows, page number 51 e dekho, look at the page 51. The doors and windows are made of wood, glass or metal. Glass allows sunlight to come in. Why the windows are made of glass? Because glass allows sunlight to come in our room. Okay, the doors and windows are made of wood, glass or metal. Glass allows sunlight to come in our house. Ceilings are made of thermocol, wood or plaster of Paris. Floors are made of cement, marble, tiles or wood. Floors are made of cement, marble, tiles or wood. Okay, so the walls of houses are made of some houses are made of brick, stones, wood, cement and steel. The walls are made of cement, tiles, marble and then get painted. The doors and windows are made of wood, glass or metal. Glass allows, why the windows are made of glass? Because glass allows sunlight to come in. Ceilings are made of thermocol, wood or plaster of Paris. Floors are made of cement, marble, tiles or wood. So today we will stop here and read the chapter very carefully, very thoroughly. Okay, everyone read for 5 minutes. 5 minutes for read. I will give 5 minutes to read. Okay, everyone read. Acha, if you have any queries, then raise your hand. Otherwise, drop your hands. Drop your hands. Ahornish, Arad, and Sharonna. Have you any queries? Then raise your hands. Yes, Tafim, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of lasting?
Tell me
What
once.
is the meaning of lasting?
Lasting.
Lasting. Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, long lasting মানে অনেক দিন টেকে, long lasting মানে strong হয়, টেকসই হয়, ঠিক আছে? Durable. This means durable.
Okay, ma'am. What is the meaning of ceiling?
Ceiling means ওপরে, ওই যে মাথার ওপরে দেখো তোমার ceiling fan ঝুলছে. The fan is hanging from the ceiling.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
No doubt.
Yes, read Chakraborty.
Ma'am, I have many doubts.
Many doubts. Okay, tell me.
What is the meaning of Eskimo?
Eskimo. Oh, who lived in igloos? They are called Eskimos.
And what is the meaning of tent?
হ্যাঁ, টেন্ট মিন্স হচ্ছে এখানে দেখো এটা হচ্ছে একটা ক্লথ দিয়ে তৈরি হয় এই বাড়িগুলো, ঠিক আছে? এগুলো টেম্পোরারি হাউস, ওই যে বললাম এগুলো টেম্পোরারি হাউস, ঠিক আছে? যারা হচ্ছে ক্যারাভান যারা যাযাবর কোনো একটা জায়গায় গিয়ে থাকে বা সেই জায়গা থেকে আরেকটা জায়গায় চলে যায়, সেখানে হচ্ছে এরা হচ্ছে তোমার ওখানে গিয়ে টেন্ট তৈরি করে, ক্যারাভ্যানে থাকে। এরা হচ্ছে এস্কিমো, এই সরি এদেরকে বলছে নোম্যাডস। নোম্যাডসরা এই টেন্টে থাকে।
And what is the meaning of
তাবু, তাবু actual means tabu. Yes,
what is the meaning of
Huh?
what is the meaning of steel?
stilt house, stilt house. There is no meaning. The house is called stilt house. It is the name of the house. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I have no more doubt.
Okay, very good. Those who have already cleared your doubts, just drop your hands. Yes, Sirin Saiba. Sirin Saiba. Sirin Saiba. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, what is the end?
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. What is meaning of VEATIL?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
ATION.
I can't hear your voice properly.
What is
Just-
the meaning of this?
Show me. Show me. Sirin, just you ask me about the page number 51 যত অবধি পড়ানো হয়েছে সেইখান থেকে জিজ্ঞাসা করো, ঠিক আছে? যেখান থেকে পড়ানো হয়নি সেখানে জিজ্ঞেস করো না, যেখান থেকে যে অবধি হয়েছে পড়ানো সেই জায়গা থেকে তোমার যদি কোনো ডাউট থাকে, if you have any doubts on that portion you will ask me. Yes. Eskimos. Eskimos. Yes, yes, Eskimos. Those who live in igloos, they are called Eskimos.
This.
Okay. Yes. Arad.
Yes, ma'am. What is the meaning of north?
Again.
North. North. N-O-R. North.
Where?
In the kacha houses.
Kacha house. Okay, okay. Oh, north. Strong. North. North means not. Not.
Okay, ma'am. And poles?
পোলস মিন্স হচ্ছে তোমার হচ্ছে ওটা খুঁটি, খুঁটি বেঙ্গলি মিনিং খুঁটি, পোলস। এই যে উডেন পোলস, এই যে দেখো স্টিল হাউসটা দেখো, দেখো ভালো করে, লুক এট দ্য পিকচার, স্টিল হাউস, এই যে উডেন পোলস এর উপর দাঁড়িয়ে আছে সেটা পোলস।
Okay, ma'am. And rope?
হ্যাঁ,
Rope. R-O-A-M.
রোম, রোম, ইয়েস, রোম মানে হচ্ছে বেড়ানো, 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 ট্রাভেল, ট্রাভেল, রোম মিন্স ট্রাভেল।
And plaster?
Plaster of Paris, not plaster. Plaster of Paris, this is the one kind of material, white material, plaster of Paris. You will made it with some idols and some showpiece with plaster of Paris.
Okay, ma'am. No more doubts.
Okay.
And ma'am,
Ha.
why we need the house? The difference between Pakka houses and Kacha houses? Who are
Huh.
Eskimos?
Ha.
And what is houses? What is houseboats? And
Ha.
who are nomads? We write these answers in our copy.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to do. Have to do. Very
Okay,
nice.
ma'am.
Very nice. So, Meherin Hawk.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tell me. Have you any problem?
Ma'am, what is the? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the mean by long lasting?
হ্যাঁ, লং লাস্টিং মিন্স ডিউরেবল, অনেক দিন থাকবে যেটা, ঠিক আছে, যেটা সহজে নষ্ট হয়ে যায় না, লং লাস্টিং। মানে এটা যে কাঁচা হাউসটা লং লাস্ট করে না, যদি ধরো কোনো ঝড় হলো বা বৃষ্টি হলো, বন্যা হলো, ওটা উড়ে যাবে, নষ্ট হয়ে যায়।
ওকে ম্যাম।
ইয়েস, সপ্তপর্ণা। ইয়েস, সপ্তপর্ণা।
Ma'am,
হুম,
what is the meaning of steel house?
হ্যাঁ, স্টিল হাউস মিন্স হচ্ছে those house made on wooden poles. These are called steel house. Look at the picture of your book. Look at the picture in your book. Steel house, দেখো wooden poles এর উপর আছে, ওটাকে বলা হয় কাঠের তৈরি। These are made of
Ma'am, ventilation.
এই ভেন্টিলেশন এখন নয়, যখন পড়াবো তখন।
Okay, ma'am. Now I have no doubt.
ওকে, আচ্ছা, অহর্নিশ, অহর্নিশ, tell me fast. Because time is over.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, as I am sitting quietly, that's why I have written the homework. I want to tell you. The question: what is the difference between and Pakka house?
হ্যাঁ,
Pakka houses are strong houses made out of brick, cement, steel, and concrete. They
হ্যাঁ,
live very long, 50 to 60 years,
হুম,
and are not destroyed very easily. But Kacha houses are the opposite of Pakka houses.
হুম,
Kacha houses are weak houses which are not long lasting and can be destroyed very easily in any storm or cyclone.
হুম, হুম। ওকে,
These Kacha houses are made of mud, steel, and wood.
হুম, ওকে। How many points are there, অহর্নিশ?
Ma'am, I have written in sentence. I
No,
can
no.
tell you
Hey,
how.
You have to write in column. Okay, you have to write in column.
Okay, ma'am, I will
Okay.
give point.
Yes, 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 yes. And these are your homework. Just write
Ma'am,
it.
I told you that.
Okay, write it at
Yes,
your home.
ma'am.
Tomorrow you tell me. আচ্ছা, অর্ণব ভুইয়া, fast, time is over, fast. Yes, Arnav. Yes, unmute.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of steel house?
Yes, steel house means these house, those house are made of wooden poles, made on wooden poles. Look at the picture. কাঠের তৈরি দেখো বাড়ি, wooden poles এর উপর যে বাড়ি তৈরি হয় তাকে বলে steel house. Okay, understood? Okay, so just hey Adrika, don't do that, don't give any emojis. Yes, okay, so time is over. If you have any queries, ask me tomorrow. Okay, ask me tomorrow. Bye everyone. Bye.